Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you column AS statement. Column AS statement will use to write an SQL statement to identify as an output into the single parameter and the convenient name on the result set. AS it's nothing but alias name of the column. And if we are using total, sum of the total and getting as a result as a total. And some of the column names we are grouping is in the sum of the like a first name, last name and middle name. We are grouping into the name of the person or name of the employee. And address parameters like a street number, state and country with a pin code we are making is into the single column as an output in the result set. It is an address. Likewise, we can use and AS statement to use and making as an alias names. How it is, we'll see here. Like see here, select star means wildcard I'm applying here. Star from sales dot customers. Like once I can execute this statement. Yes, see here, many of the columns from the table. If I applied alias state like wildcard, customer ID, first name, last name, phone number, email, street, city, state, zip code. These are the columns are implying and reflecting from the database table, and all about it is getting the data rows are 1445. See here that customer ID as well as the rows, right? Here, what is my requirement? See, the name it is showing two columns. As you seen here, first underscore name, last underscore name. This I don't want to see the two columns, and the customer is requesting me to like a name column is there, and he wants to print like a name. It is DEBRA space BURKS. This is the first column I am entering here, the first row, the first name and last name. This is the way, or else making like a Deborah underscore bucks. This is the way he wants to print as an output. So by making the single parameter is sufficient to print over there as an output form. It's any manner, maybe report, it may be print or anywhere. Whereas in the database is having a wonderful feature like a alias name, making these columns we can simply make it as a query itself instead of getting all the data into the application and merging and filtering and making something to do the functionalities. It's all or not required. As a database engineer or developer, if you are knowing such a simple information, you will be write a queries while preparing the SQL query and give as an output as a single parameter itself. How it is, we'll see now. Like I'll make this comment line. Yes. Now see here, it's the first name. Nothing I'm not doing. First underscore name is in the first column and making is in a comma and the last underscore name. What it will give, as you know that clearly. Yes, if I execute, this is the way it is coming with the two columns, right? See, removing the comma, what I'm doing, making two plus symbols here and with a single quotes, two single quotes. That's it. And in advancedly, it's require the underscore. We'll see the underscore on the next execution. Let's see here. This is the column, no column name it is. This is the no column name and the name is attached. First column and second column is appended. Now see here, and this is what we require as in a column name. Further getting the column name, such as situations, we'll use AS. This is the keyword we'll use here. As what I can say that like a customer name CUSTOMERNAME, customer name in a single column. Now see the title of the column, it is customer name. The column name, which the column name is not available. Actually, the column name is not available in the real database table. We are creating on fly of query execution. This is the column name. It is an alias name for the result set for this column is customer name or customer details or anything. You can use it as your wish. Any name you can on fly while execution of the query, it will be created for an instance of temporarily. Now, if the underscore is also required here, just put it as an underscore here. That's it. That's it. The query statement, how the query, the requirement of the users, we are able to get in here. By making in a single query statement, see here, I am writing a single line of the query statement, and rest of the 1,04,000 like a 1,445 records are available in my database table. All the records are impacting here. Not only it's on a single record, it's not a performance of the single or two or three like that. This is the major advantage in SQL Server and SQL query databases and database engines. It's not a matter of data, how much data rows are available in the database. By writing the query statement and applying the query and all the data records which are coming to under the select statement, it will be impacted all the data query records and it will be fetch the data and it will show. And will it be changes in our database? The select statement will not do any such type of activities. The rest of the data, how it is in your database, the table, it would be the same. Unless until if you are not using any modify or updating command from using SQL statements, it won't do or it won't perform and it won't change or modify your data. Well, let's see here like select star from sales dot customers, terminate, go to highlight this window. If you want to run a particular query statement only, you select the query statement and press run. Then it will be executed. Okay, that is the beauty of query window facilities are available. Now you just simply highlight with the mouse and execute. This highlighted query statement only, it will be executed. Now see here, ID, first name, last name, all the details. The first name, last name, it is the same. It's the how the earlier position, the same thing. Okay, whereas if I run the above query statement, how it is going to be displaying here? This is the thing. And if you want to make it as an ID here, you just make it as an ID. And let's see now. Just press F5, it will come. This is the way. All right. Alias statement will use for making like a AES statement will use for making an alias names. For the column purpose, we have demonstrated this session. I hope you are getting a good idea how to use and what is the purpose we are going to using for alias statement. And also you learn from this session how to make the combination and combine two columns. Two or more columns you are going to be combined like this only. And if you want to make next another column, just simply just to make it as a two place and in between two single quotes you apply there and specify the column name here. This is the column name you have to specify. That's it. That's it. And in between, if you want to make any text, you can also add your own text also. That is the very simple way to making AES statements. I hope you have a good idea how to write a statement. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.